Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to a delightful journey into making Suman Malagkit, a beloved Filipino sticky rice cake. This traditional treat is surprisingly easy to make, requiring just a few core ingredients. You'll need high-quality glutinous rice, creamy coconut milk, and a little sugar for sweetness. The secret to its unique flavor and aroma often lies in the fresh banana leaves we'll use for wrapping. Get ready to create something truly special. The first step to a perfect Suman Malagkit is preparing the glutinous rice. After rinsing it well, soak the rice for at least 1 hour. This ensures a tender, evenly cooked texture. While your rice soaks, prepare the flavorful liquid. Gently heat coconut milk with sugar and a tiny pinch of salt until the sugar dissolves. This creates the rich, aromatic base that infuses the rice with flavor. Now let's bring the flavors together. Drain your soaked glutinous rice, then add it to the warm coconut milk mixture. Stir continuously over medium heat until the liquid is fully absorbed and the rice is partially cooked and sticky. Next, prepare your banana leaves. Gently soften them by quickly passing them over an open flame or simply dip them in hot water. This makes them pliable and prevents tearing during wrapping. This is where the magic of Suman Malagkit truly comes alive. Take a softened banana leaf and place about 2 to 3 tablespoons of your sticky rice mixture onto it, shaping it into a neat, small log. Carefully fold the leaf tightly around the rice, then secure both ends, tucking them in to create a compact, sealed package. Repeat this process until all your rice mixture is wrapped, preparing them for steaming. The final step brings everything together beautifully. Carefully arrange your wrapped Suman logs in a steamer basket, making sure they have a little space to breathe. Steam them for about 1 hour, or until the glutinous rice becomes wonderfully tender and translucent. Serve your freshly steamed Suman Malagkit warm, perhaps with a sprinkle of brown sugar, a drizzle of latic, or a slice of ripe mango. Enjoy this authentic Filipino delight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.